Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the embed code of your Calendly event. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and put your Calendly scheduling event onto one of your websites. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So here we are onto Calendly, and there's multiple ways that you could actually go ahead about doing this. First, you want to go ahead and find your event, then click on these three dots, then click on Add to Website. Now, you can add Calendly to your website via pop-up text, inline embed, or pop-up widget. We're going to go ahead and click on inline embed, click on Continue, and then this right here is the embed code. So you can place this code in your HTML where you want your Calendly widget to appear. So simply click on Copy Code, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your embed code on Calendly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.